Starting today, 1 million more Massachusetts residents are now eligible for the coronavirus vaccine. Anyone 55 and older is now eligible, along with adults who have one chronic medical condition. Nearly 22% of the state's population is fully vaccinated, nearly 1.5 million people. Recent studies show just one shot of Pfizer or Moderna gives you 80% protection. But the CDC is not considering making either one of those vaccines a single-dose shot.
Although we always continue to keep an open mind, we consider the route that we're on now as the best route.
Now, as more people get the vaccine, health officials are debating whether herd immunity is possible. We're hoping eventually to return to normal, but a top doctor tells WBZ's Louisa Moller it's not that simple.
I'm going to be able to hug some people I haven't been able to for a long time.
I think travel and go see my family, of course. That's the number one thing. The rest of my family, I haven't seen most of them for like a year.
There's a sense of hope, a promise of normalcy that you hear among people getting vaccinated.
To reach herd immunity in Massachusetts, we need to vaccinate about 4.1 million people fully.
And just weeks ago, Governor Charlie Baker said that hope is in sight, herd immunity, when the virus runs out of bodies to infect.
To kind of hang our hat on a number or a time or a date is really difficult. And you can't just have herd immunity in a state that has borders that are open.
But Tufts Medical Center epidemiologist Dr. Shira Daron says it's not that simple, and it's not clear if it's even possible, with children unvaccinated and scientists unable to pin down exactly how infectious new COVID variants are.
I think more realistically, what we should expect and what we should plan is that we vaccinate as many people as possible as quickly as we can. We get to a point where we start to see cases drop, and we learn to live with some low levels of the virus in our lives.
So when do we say so long to masking and distancing in stores, restaurants, and schools? Daron says maybe when everyone who wants a vaccine has gotten one. And the time to get one, she says, is as soon as possible.
To make an appointment right away. Take the very first vaccine that's offered to you. It's an emergency. And none of us are safe until everyone is safe.
Louisa Moller, WBZ News.